Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to be guiding you through how to verify your Google Ads account. Now to do this, you need to first of all access the advertiser verification section. How? Log into your Google Ads account, click on the gear or the settings icon, locate and click on the advertiser verification tab. Next, select the organization type. So you choose the appropriate option. For example, I am an advertising agency. I am a marketer or client. These are examples. Next, you provide your business information. Enter accurate information about your business, such as your business name, address, website URL, phone number. This is optional, but you can provide that too. Now, once you're through providing business information, you have to choose verification method. Google may offer you different verification methods depending on your business type and location. Now, the common methods include website verification, where you have to add a meta tag to your website HTML code. We also have phone verification, where you receive a verification code via phone calls or SMS. We also have document upload, where you upload supporting documents, e.g. business registration documents or ID. Once you're through with choosing your verification method, the next step is to follow the on-screen instructions. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions provided by Google Ads. Upload any required documents in the correct format and ensure all information is accurate and up to date. Next, you have to await your verification. Google will need to review your information and documents, and the verification process may take some time. But once you've gotten your verification, once your account is verified, you receive a notification. You may even see a green check mark indicating that your account is verified. It's as simple as that. Now, always keep your account information updated. Make sure it is accurate. Always make sure your business information is accurate and up to date in your Google Ads account. Next, for the most accurate and up to date information on this, you need to refer to the official Google Ads Help Center. But by following these steps and providing accurate information, you can successfully verify your Google Ads account and ensure compliance with Google Ads policies. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for